Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: comprehensive, inclusive, complete and including everything that is necessary. So complete and including everything that is necessary, that is what we call it as comprehensive. Synonyms: inclusive, complete, thorough, exhaustive, across the board, full, overall, sweeping, all inclusive, extensive. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: partial, specific, limited, empty, restrictive, short, narrow, incomplete. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he has comprehensive collection of photographs. He has comprehensive collection of photographs, complete collection of photographs. Even one more example also can be given: is this list comprehensive, or are there some names missing? Is this list comprehensive, or are there some names missing? We can also give one more example like that. Ma clear? Introspection, brooding, an examination of one's own thoughts or feelings. An examination of one's own thoughts or feelings. So what we call it as introspection. So synonyms: self-analysis, deep thought, self-questioning, self-reflection, self-scrutiny, self-searching, soul-searching, rumination, self-examination, self-observation, self-contemplation. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: extrospection, outgoing, friendly, sociable, gregarious. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: it takes a lot of hard work and introspection to reach this stage. It takes a lot of hard work and introspection to reach this stage. Self introspection can be very valuable. Self introspection can be very valuable. So often or occasionally do self introspection. It will be very much useful for one's growth, one's career. Ma clear? Strain, stress. I don't think so I need to give you any explanation for that one. Something that makes you feel nervous and worried ma. Something that makes you feel nervous and worried. That is what normally we call it as strain. Synonyms: tension, anxiety, pressure, burden, tightness, bruise, injury. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: relaxation, relief, calmness, ease, healthy, peace, wellness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: doctors had advised him to avoid strain. Doctors had advised him to avoid strain. Red eyes denotes strain and fatigue. So next one: telltale, revealing. So what is telltale? A person who habitually reveals personal or sensational facts about others. A person who habitually reveals personal or sensational facts about others. That is what normally we call it as telltale. Revealing or allowing a secret to become known. Allowing a secret to become known. That is what we call it as telltale. Even a person, especially a child, who reveals others' wrongdoings, who reports others' wrongdoings, especially a child who reports others' wrongdoings, that is also we call it as telltale. Ma clear? Synonyms: disclosing, gossiper, newsmonger, rumormonger, indicative, informative, evidential. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: concealing, uninformative, secretive, hidden, faithful, tight-lipped, patriotic. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the department at Telltale told the boss that his staff were taking extra long breaks. He got the information. Boss got the information from Telltale. The departmental told the boss that his staff were taking extra long breaks. Ma clear? Cornucopia, abundance. A large amount or supply of something. That is what we call it as cornucopia. A large amount or supply of something. A horn or cone shaped container. A horn or cone shaped container. That is also called cornucopia. Ma clear? See that synonyms: fullness, plethora. So one more word you can remember: plethora. So abundance, lots, heaps, enough, luxury, torrent, gold mine, affluence, wealth, loads, quantity, copiousness. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: need, lack, scarcity, few, little, poorness, want. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the book includes a cornucopia of wonderful stories. The book includes a cornucopia of wonderful stories. Even one more example also can be given. My friends came to my home with a cornucopia of presentations on my birthday. My friends came to my home with a cornucopia of presentations on my birthday. Ma clear? Ethereal, extremely light and delicate. Extremely delicate, refined and light in a way that seems not to be of this world. That means heavenly, spiritual, celestial. That is what we call it. Not to be of this world. So ethereal, extremely light and delicate. One more meaning is there, relating to chemical, ether. Relating to chemical, ether. So that is also one more meaning. Synonyms: light, sublime, spiritual, divine, bodiless, heavenly, spiritual, celestial, upper, pure, bright, graceful, elegant, lovely, holy, dainty, immaterial, incorporeal. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: earthly, bodily, physical, worldly, corporeal, substantial, material. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: beyond her appearance there had been such an ethereal quality about her. Beyond her appearance there had been such an ethereal quality about her. Ma clear? Unlettered, uneducated. I don't think so I need to give any explanation. Ma, uneducated is what we call it as unlettered, or not marked with letters. Not marked with letters. So that is also called unlettered. Unlettered, uneducated. Synonyms: ignorant, illiterate, untaught, unlearned, unread, unrefined, unschooled, dark, untutored. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: educated, literate, schooled, knowledgeable, well-read, well-informed, lettered. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: do not think these village people are unlettered. Do not think these village people are unlettered. Sprightly, lively, full of energy and spirit. Full of energy and spirit, especially of old people. That is what we call it as sprightly, lively. Synonyms: active, playful, chirpy, energetic, jippy, spirited, peppy, jaunty, brisk, kinetic, bouncy. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: spiritless, lifeless, depressed, dead, languid, tired, serious. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the sprightly old man walks 5 kilometers every day. The sprightly old man walks 5 kilometers every day. Ma, remember, sprightly, full of energy and spirit, especially of old people. Especially of old people. Retroactive, backdated, especially of legislation, taking effect from a date in the past, with effect from a date before it was approved. That means, say that a government passes an order today, June 22nd, but it will be effective from previous date. It will be effective from previous date. That is what we call it as retroactive. They are signing the order, they are passing the order today, but it will be effective from previous period. That is what we call it as retroactive. Ma clear? Synonyms: previous, retrospective, prior, done afterward, posterior, post factum, backward looking, succeeding. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: far-sighted, visionary, forward, foreseeing, prospective, likely, forward looking. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the increase in salaries will apply retroactively from January 1st. Yes, best example. Say that today they have signed. Today they have signed for all government employees, salaries will be hiked, but retroactively from January 1st onwards, all employees will be getting benefited, right? Clear? Moratorium, a temporary ban. Moratorium, a temporary ban, a stopping of an activity for an agreed period of time, a temporary prohibition of an activity. That is what we call it as moratorium. Synonyms: stoppage, halt, abeyance, pause, prohibition, suspension, stay, embargo, freeze, adjournment, delay, postponement. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: renewal, resumption, move forward, continuation. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they are proposing a 5-year moratorium on nuclear weapon testing. They are proposing a 5-year moratorium on nuclear weapon testing. That means for next 5 years, so this nuclear testing should not be done. For next 5 years, nuclear testing should not be done. Even recently, government has given moratorium in paying credit card bills for 3 months like that. Hope you remember. Clear? Dither, hesitate, to be unable to make a decision about doing something. To be unable to make a decision about doing something. We do have one more meaning, ma. To be nervous, excited or confused about something. To be excited, nervous or confused about something. That is what we call it as dither. Synonyms: indecisive, delay, fluster, agitation, confusion, babble, shivers, jitters, oscillate, dilly-dally. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: calm, composure, peace, budge, sense, aplomb, advance, tranquility. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Mary is still dithering over whether to accept the job or not. Mary is still dithering over whether to accept the job or not. Clear? Even one more example also can be given. I can't bear people who dither. I can't bear people who dither. True now? Hunch, intuition, a feeling or guess based on intuition rather than fact. A feeling or guess based on intuition rather than fact. That is what we call it as a hunch. We do have one more meaning: raise one's shoulder and bend the top of one's body forward. That is also we call it as hunch. Synonyms: guess, premonition, curve, feeling, suspicion, inkling, impression, arch, bend, presage, thought, foreknowledge. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: certainty, fact, reality, truth, trust, anticipation, expectation, forecast. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the commentators had various hunches about the outcome of the elections. The commentators had various hunches about the outcome of the elections. Orchestrate, to play and organize something carefully in order to achieve a desired result. To be exact, to play and organize something carefully and sometimes secretly in order to achieve a desired result. That is what we call it as orchestrate. We do have one more meaning: to arrange or to write a piece of music to be played on orchestra. That is also we call it as orchestrate. Synonyms: organize, arrange, set up, coordinate, compose, blend, concert, harmonize, unify, integrate, put together. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disperse, divide, separate, ignore, disorganize. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they hired a event planner to orchestrate their daughter's wedding. They hired a event planner to orchestrate their daughter's wedding. Yearn, desire strongly, to desire something strongly, especially something difficult or impossible to obtain. That is what we call it as yearn. One more meaning is there, mom. Yearn, to feel tremendous affection. That is also we call it as yearn. Synonyms: crave, covet, hunger, want, wish, dream, long desire, be passionate, thirst, pine. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: abjure, dislike, hate, not want, despise. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: when my sister was pregnant, all she did was yearn for chocolates and ice creams. When my sister was pregnant, all she did was yearn for chocolates and ice creams. Best example, I think, right? So one more: they yearned over their one and only child. They yearned over their one and only child. Jabber, babble, to speak or say something quickly in a way that is difficult to understand. To speak or say something quickly in a way that is difficult to understand. That is what we call it as jabber. Synonyms: chatter, murmur, gabble, talk on and on, ramble, gibberish, mutter, mumble, nonsensical talk, prattle. All these words can be related to jabber. We call it as blah blah blah, right? Antonyms: speak clearly, hide, be quiet, be silent, conceal. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: don't jabber away when you can say it in a few words. Don't jabber away when you can say it in a few words. Clear? Utopia, bliss, the idea of a perfect society in which everyone is happy or works well with each other. That is what the meaning of utopia. So it's an idea of a perfect society in which everyone is happy, works well with each other. That is what the meaning of utopia. Synonyms: paradise, ideal place, heaven, wonderland, dreamland, Eden. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: hell, underworld, madhouse, place of condemned. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: for foreign stranded people to reach home safely itself became utopia of life. Clear? That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.